Today we have a 2021 Starcraft 201 MDX deck boat. A lot of room in this. You have the best of both worlds. You got the room of a pontoon, but the sporty ride like a bow rider or deck boat. Swim mat on the swim platform. You can set these rear seats up. You can put this cushion up and sit off the back, or you can put the one over there up and lounge, sit in the sun. A lot of seating. Has an L-shaped seat in the back, and then there's a flip-flop seat here. You can flip back and forth if somebody wants to sit and put their legs up and face the front or the back if somebody's tubing or skiing. Built-in cooler. This front cushion also comes out so nobody's stepping on your seats if you want to remove that, and there is a forward ladder and swim mat up front too. Little windscreen. Bolster driver's seat, so you can put that up if you want to sit up a little higher to get a little breeze. Rated for 12 passengers. Stereo, it is Bluetooth. Cup holders. 4.5 Mercruiser, 200 horse engine. Everything's right in the front. Easy to work on. Bimini top cover, in-floor storage. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's in Antioch, Illinois.